As we said earlier, most of the machines that you're going to have, the manufacturer of that machine has already determined how the venting, the hood design is and how much airflow it needs. That's what we call the ventilation design. They've already done all of that. So the clue that they leave you, if they don't write it in the manual, the clue they leave you is what size port is there on the back of the dust collect on the machine. So if they have a 4-inch port there, what they're telling you is, okay, hook up this 4-inch port with the velocity of the air velocity that's used for woodworking dust collectors, which, as we said, 4,000, 4,500 feet per minute is very conservative. If you hook up a 4-inch and you move the air that fast through the 4-inch pipe, then you'll figure out the airflow by looking at the chart, like we said, 485 CFM for a 4-inch, for example. Sometimes you find in the manuals and things like that, but it's not very often. And then you just add up all of the ports together, and that's how you end up with the total CFM you need. If you don't have dust collection built into your machine already, you need to consult with us, and we need to see how it makes dust and all those things. And we might have to come up with a custom hood for you, and then that can vary a lot how much the airflow is. But that's not so common with woodworking applications. So most of the time you've already got it there. You just need to find the port size and then apply that formula that we talked about earlier.